We're gonna install some new pedals today. I can't wait. Seriously though, you guys probably have these, right? You guys have these OEM pedals, yeah? Mine are like 30 years old, you know, because our OldSols are that old now. I don't know what I just said there, but I need to install some new ones, and let me show you what I got. So I'm pretty sure in 2005, I had the same pedals on my OldSol back then as I just bought here recently. The Sparco carbon fiber universal pedal set, or whatever they call it. So I was digging around on eBay, and they were like 120 bucks to like 80 bucks, depending on where you bought it from. Like, it was all over the place. And then I found some for like 60, and it was like new Sparco pedals. And I was like, oh shit, dope. So I bought those. I don't think they're fucking new. They look used. I don't fucking know. I don't even care though, really, but I'll show you what they look like. But for 60 bucks, they're gonna look better than those OEM ones. So, yeah, they'll be dope, I think. Yeah, so, you know, they're just your Sparco pedals. Got all your hardware. But these look new to you. And the gloss looks okay. But the Sparco, it looks like somebody's already used and worn them off. I don't know. Guys, it's fine. These look okay. I don't know. I can't fucking tell, you know? But what's cool is it comes with little skateboard 3M grippy tape, you know? You plop those guys on somewhere. I don't know, like that or fucking something. Or maybe I just wild card it, no grip tape at all. But I think those are gonna get a little slip. Oh man, first and foremost, we've hit the time of the year in Nebraska, you know, the 4th of July, where it's just like Florida. And I'm not kidding. Like 80% humidity, 100 degrees, just like a swamp without the swamp. I'm sure Florida's still worse, and probably is, but that's what it feels like to me. So if I get sweatier and sweatier and better looking as the vlog goes on, I can't control that. But what we gotta do is these pedals down here, the OEM ones, they have this rubber covering on them. And we gotta get those guys off first so we can make new lines and mark our holes for the new pedals. So bear with me. I gotta put the camera somewhere and then acrobat myself in to show you and not be in the way at the same time. So. Okay, well, I got 2 off. Those were easy. They are indeed like little covers that go on there. But this guy, I don't think, it feels like it's got some backing to it that I can rip off, but it's not like the other ones. I might just fucking leave that guy on there. I don't know. All right, we're off to a good start and a good vlog here, because clearly I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but it's fine. Listen, I'm gonna get these installed, guys, and you can too, I promise. Under the dash, not the car, and we're just gonna take this silver Sharpie. We're gonna mark those little holes right where those bad boys are supposed to go. We're gonna drill those suckers in then. So next step-a-rooski. Listen, don't forget to hydrate when it's hot and muggy. Throw in some chew, have a cigarette. I don't know, listen, whatever you gotta do to get the job done. That's, you know, just hydrate yourself, okay? right, so the only thing to worry about here is, you know, you got these tiny little bolts and these tiny little washers. The only thing you don't want to do is you don't want to over drill the holes into those pedals. So start little and don't go all ham with like a giant screwdriver drill bit. That's the word I was looking for, drill bit. Because then these guys, they won't fit in there, man. So start little and then work your way up and don't overdo it. Okay, so I did have to go up one size bigger on the old drill there. But I should be able to get these in there now, I believe. Yeah, you see. All right, well, it's on there. Put these little bolts on, tighten those suckers up, whichever way they go on, that way. All right, so really the only hard part is those teeny tiny little nuts on the back side of the Sparco pedals. I don't know if you guys can see those tiny little bolts. They're like 6mm bolts. I don't have a little wrench or anything small enough, so I'm gonna have to do that by hand with this guy. And it's just hard to get under there with your head and look to see where you're at and all that stuff. But other than that, this is a very easy install. Hey, all right, Yahtzee, through the magic of editing, I've got it. So that's dope. That one's in. All I did was held this back behind here. While I held that, I had the Allen wrench up here and I just twisted and you're able to get them on. Those bitches aren't going anywhere. Probably where that sticky tape is to go over the screw holes, I'm guessing. So I might do that. Or maybe up here. Listen, I don't know yet. Man, so many options. But I'm gonna drill the other holes now for the other two pedals. Get those bad boys in there. Wrap up this vlog. This is it. This is the last one of the size that I need to use that I got here, so I gotta be careful. The gas pedal goes all the way to the floor, you know, so I'm probably gonna hold the gas pedal and drill this. I don't know, but okay. Okay, I'm dying. I'm back. I had some more water, but I got two in. I got two of these guys in now. 1, 2. I still gotta do this guy back there. A lot harder. These two are very easy. Super easy install. That guy, I gotta get my holes drilled first. I broke 2 drill bits trying to get through there. All right, bet. Hallelujah. Okay, where's my hole? I gotta take my hat off because I'm hot. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. Where? is my Allen wrench. Here we go. Alright. Can I do it this way? Yes. Yes, I should be able to. My arms are burning. I'm a tiny human, and this is still very difficult for me, you know? Get in there. Okay. Dope. They're in. Whoo boy! Well, hot damn. Whew. I'm hot. Okay. Let me gather my thoughts and then I'll summarize. Okay. Those look great. That's a cool upgrade. It's a nice upgrade. I like them a lot. Those are dope. And it really wasn't that hard. You just, you don't have a lot of room. Let me explain here. Yeah, so if you're a large human, obviously getting under your dash is tough. But you don't have a lot of room. Just got to drill those holes and then screw them in and put the nuts on the backside. It's a very easy install. Worth it, I think. Those look great. Really cool. Really cool. Yeah, so I mean, 10 out of 10, would recommend those. We'll see how I like them. We'll see where I put the sticky skateboard kind of material tape on there after I drive it a bit without it and see how I like it and feel. But I mean, I filmed a vlog here as you're watching. It took me like hour and a half, 2 hours. This will take you a half hour, 40 minutes tops. So not tough, not hard. Just everything I do. I'm old, you know? Not really old. I'm hot. I'm more hot than anything. Do it in the fall. Do it in the fall. It's nice out. The wind's blowing. The trees are falling. It'd be way better in the fall. It's hot as shit right now. But 4th of July is coming up. So hope you guys have a good 4th. Everyone else around the world, it's just another day. Sorry. Enjoy your work day. That's rough. But yeah. All right. Till next time, guys. Peace.